I was asked recently if it was worth it to eat a raw food diet when a cooked food diet that was also low fat was probably going to bring a great deal of the same results, when a cooked food diet of exclusively whole foods was going to bring me even closer to a great deal of the same results. Is it going to be worth it if it only brings a little bit of improvement? To me, every improvement is worth it. If somebody offers me 95 cents on the dollar and somebody else offers me 98 cents on the dollar, well, I'm going to go for the 98. It's only 3 cents, but it's worth it, especially if we intend to do the same thing again and again and again and again, like we do with food. Every improvement in your health regimen will bring improvements in the way you feel, the way you think, the way you act, the way your overall health can work for you in a synergistic fashion. Each aspect helps all the others. And so you want to take as good care of yourself as you possibly can. We can think of this as loving yourself. Love yourself more each day and become healthier. Love yourself by taking better care of yourself and those around you. Love yourself and your environment and your food and all that you do. It's not just doing things you love, it's also loving all that you do so that you improve the attitude towards health. Love yourself more, take better care of yourself, and reap a healthy harvest.